But yeah, the cat cafe. It was I actually have more fun going to PetSmart and playing with the cats there. But it was neat. Um, they have like this room, this big room that has about 8 or 9 cats in it. They're all full grown cats, and you could tell they're used to being pet all day long because they just lay there and just sleep as you pet them. I mean, you're not allowed to pick them up, which is understandable because the amount of people coming in and out of the room and kids and all that kind of stuff, they don't want to get sued for getting scratched or people getting scratched or bit. So you basically pet you pet the cats and that's it. You can play with them if they become playful, but they're pretty lazy cats. They have a little cafe to the right of the room where you can buy
Yeah,
coffee or
that's
tea.
all it is. Just a place to pet cats.
Yeah, you can adopt them. Only 2 of them were not up for adoption, but all the rest of them were up for adoption. Yeah, that's why I said I kind of have more fun with just going to PetSmart.